Store and get some more ribs for tonight.
You want ketchup?
Do you want ribs for dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get some ribs.
Ketchup. Eat. You don't want it? Here. Did I just spoil the food, Maya? Maya, want plain rice. I know.
What's your rice?
No, plain rice. Because I threw ketchup on it. She doesn't want it no more. Rice. Rice. Look. Sit.
This is
I
a
didn't say to go outside.
protein,
Yeah, hot. But I said sit right here.
cheese,
Nice.
turkey, and a little bit of spread. I got no slippers on.
Bagel good drinks, please.
Huh?
Bagel good drinks.
And the boy's sleep, he calls out my name.
Kim, can I have some? Here's the ginger drink. Oh, no, no, put it in a drink. Papaya. Papaya. The garage open.
Huh?
The garage open on my garden side. Where is it?